Hey guys, I'm Travis, freelance DP out of Minnesota. I'm here with Jim, inventor of...
Jim Fisher, son of the inventor and co-inventor and caretaker of JL Fisher Incorporated.
Let's see what you've got to show us here at the booth.
This is the Fisher Model 10 camera dolly. We first introduced it about 1979, and it has been our mainstay dolly for that long, and over the years we've made various improvements to it. The latest improvements are what we call the refined hydraulic control, which gives you a far better control over the lift beam than we had previously. Along with that, the dolly has been revamped now to go directly onto round track, and this is now silent in its operation. Our older system worked primarily for square track, but with the addition of these new wheels, the dolly, it's quite easy to put on the track, very, very easy to push, and silent in its operation. Along with this year, we have an improved level head. It's far more rigid than the old level head, allowing better stability and to be able to support slider systems, okay, and cameras with heavy lenses. In the past, the track guide wheels, if you were to tip the dolly over like this, it would come off of the track and upset people. Now it stays on the track quite nicely. This is our Model 11 camera dolly. We introduced this in the 1990s, basically a smaller version of the Model 10. It has also been retrofitted with a better hydraulic control, allowing more accurate and smoother lifts. It also has the same transmission system as the Model 10, having 3 modes of steering: conventional steering, crab steering, and what we have deemed to be round steering. The shifting is right here. You put the T-post in its center position with the brakes off, and you can adjust from round to rear to crab steering. Crab would be there. Rear wheel steering again, and round steering. This has to be silent in its operation, so you can't have an electric motor going and record sound at the same time. So before you start shooting, you plug it into the wall. You can plug it into 80 to 240 volts, AC or DC, so essentially plug it into the wall anywhere in the world and charge up the hydraulic system in it. It takes oil from the oil tank and pressurizes an accumulator, storing oil under pressure. And when you go to lift or raise or lower the lift beam, you're emptying the oil out or taking that stored oil under pressure and driving the lift beam up that way.
How long does it go, like, on a charge?
Okay, so that's a good question. 7 lifts in 7 vertical rises and falls for each charge. It takes approximately 4 minutes to charge back out. Along with the dollies, we have various different accessories that go on them, anywhere from smaller jib arms to, for instance, this jib here that has a 21 feet reach and that comes out of that box when it's delivered to you. And 2 people with minimum experience can build it to this length in approximately 10 to 15 minutes. It was designed to have the least number of parts to put together to ensure that would take would be time consuming to put together. The cables themselves here are tensioned with these cable tensioners here. The cables come already to the exact length that's needed, so you don't have to make a judgment tightening down turnbuckles. Most of the other cranes out there of this nature, you have to use a turnbuckle and make some judgment as far as how tight to make them. This makes it very quick to put it together. It goes together where the sections here that are 3 feet long are dovetailed together, and so you just hook them all together. But these are all of the links here that you can build this crane to. 6 feet, 9 feet, 12 feet, 15 feet, 18 and 21 foot reach.
Wow.
All in one box. The company first started in Los Angeles, California in our garage in about 1953 while my father was working for Republic Studios at the time. We started building microphone booms first, and from there, small microphone booms and then microphone booms for television. And later after that, in the 1960s, started building camera dollies.